I'm going to give you very important 2 points for your life. We have come to this world for 2 things, only for 2 things. Number 1, we all must live. Number 2, we have to get. Living and getting is the purpose of our life. So everybody must live and everybody must get. To live, we have got the breath equally. Everybody is given, the nature has given the breath to everybody to live. But some people go to swim to the sea, river, and they lose their life. So, if you go such places, you must have proper protection. You must be very careful. So, if you don't care, your life is not safe. So, to live, security is the most important point that we have to understand. So, without security, the survival of life is dangerous. So, you have to secure your health, secure your things. So this is a very important thing that we have to understand. To get, everybody is given 24 hours equally. The secret is getting. You have to give time for what you want. If you give time to study, you will study. If you give time to earn money, you will earn money. At the same time, if you give time to worry, you will have worry. If you give time to joy, you will have joy. The secret is, anything you give to the time give you the same. This is the secret. So, the great secret, the whole world believe as law of attraction. There is a book called The Secret. In that book it says, law of attraction is the secret of human. So, gravity is the secret of nature. I was thinking, everything that we attract, we don't get. Then I found the secret of the secret. That means, if you give time only, you get anything. Otherwise, you won't get anything. So, give time for what you want, then you will get it. So, in time, there are 3 things. If you haste in time, you make mistake. If you delay, you get defeated. You have to be punctual to be right. So, a very important thing in life, if you want to secure your life, you have to be very conscious. Anything you do, you have to be very careful. Protect your life. Without food, you can stay even 2-3 days, but without breath, you can't live in a moment. So, life is very important. So, protect your life and give time for what you want, and don't be hurry, don't be delay, be punctual. And another secret, if you give time to think that you are still not married, you don't have a car, you don't have money and these things, only the thought you will have. But instead of you thinking, you give time, put an advertisement for the marriage proposal, you will get an opportunity to get some letters, something to do that for your marriage. So you all must understand, this is the beauty of life. With these 2 things, you can be prosperous and you can enjoy your life. Thank you.